If someone has a roticism or a lisp, how does that affect their health? Actually, it doesn't affect your health at all, as long as you don't stress yourself out about it. Feel free to keep your roticism or lisp if it doesn't bother you. Everyone else can just take a hike. The main thing is to believe in yourself and just keep doing what you're doing, and to take proper care of your health. The information in our book, which you can download for free, will help. Think for yourself and enjoy your life. Enjoy.